3 hurricanes in 2 years. This is the story of Fort Myers Beach's incredible resilience. After 3 hurricanes in 2 years, Fort Myers Beach residents are still standing strong. Melody King watched Hurricane Milton devastate her town, streaming it live. Yet, she found her home intact. 2 years ago, Hurricane Ian left her homeless and jobless. But Melody and her community keep pushing forward. Despite the damage from Milton and Helene, they're rebuilding, one day at a time. We're glad it wasn't worse, King says, embodying the spirit of Fort Myers Beach. They face each storm head-on, with hope and resilience. Because here, giving up is never an option.